My name is Ankit Lawade. Today is 28th of March 2022 and the topic for the today's video assignment is conditional statement. This is my first or original video in this particular topic. Now let's see the conditional statement. Basically, conditional statement comes under the category of decision making statement, and the decision making statement comes under the category of control flow statement. But in this video, we will see only the conditional statement, that is if statement. The if statement or conditional statement is used to evaluate the condition. The control of the program is diverted depending upon the specific condition. The condition of the if statement gives a boolean value that is either true or false. There are four types of conditional statement. They are as if statement, if else statement, if else if ladder, and fourth one is nested if statement. Now we will see all the four statement one by one. First is if statement or simple if statement. It is the basic statement among all the control flow statement, and it evaluates a boolean expression and enables the program that and run the program of the code only if the condition is true. Let's take an example that if I have money greater than or more than 50,000, then I will buy a bike. Here we are interested only in the first part of the sentence, that is if I have the money greater than 50,000, then I will have the bike. The second part of the sentence will be the if I don't have money, then what will I do? But I am not interested in the second part. We will consider only the first part. The second statement is if else statement. The if else statement is an extension of if statement which uses the another block of code, that is else code. But the else code is executed only if the if condition is evaluated as false. Let's take an example that if I have the 10,000 rupees, I will buy a mobile phone. Else, if I don't have the 10,000 rupees, then what will I do? This is the second condition, that we will give the example by an syntax. If money is greater than 10,000, the statement will be I buy a mobile phone. Else, if I don't have the 10,000, then I will buy a bicycle. Now the third one is if else if ladder. The if else if ladder statement contains a if statement followed by multiple else if statement. In other words, we can say that it is the chain of if else statement create a decision tree which enables the code where the condition is true. Let's take an example that if I have the marks, if a student have a marks above than 75, then he will take an admission in science. If a student having marks greater than 50 and less than 75, then he will take an admission in commerce. And if the student having marks less than 50, then he will take an admission in arts. Let's take an example, this example by an syntax. That is, if marks is greater than 75, the statement will be 1. He will take an admission in science. If the statement 1 is evaluated as false, then else if marks is less than 75 and greater than 50, statement 2 will be executed, that he will take an admission in commerce. If the condition 2 is also evaluated at false, then it will goes to the third condition, that is else. The marks less than 50, that means he will take an admission in arts. Now the fourth one is nested if statement. In nested if statement, the if statement can contain a if or if else statement inside the another if or else if statement. It means let's take an two variable And let's take an example of two variables that the man donate a blood. But in this case, if the person having age greater than 18, and then he will donate a blood. But at the same time there is also one condition inside the first condition, that is his weight is greater than 50. It means the first outer condition is if age is greater than 18. If it is true, then it will execute the another inside if condition, if age is greater than 50. If age is greater than 50, then he will donate a blood, else he will not donate a blood. Or the outer else condition will be that if his age is not greater than 18, then there will be no chance or he is not eligible to donate a blood. This is the simple nested if statement. This all about the conditional statement. Thank you.